In this video, you will learn how to close your standard Chartered bank account online. First, clear your account. Ensure your account has a balance of 0. Transfer any remaining funds to another account. Cancel any pending transactions, auto debits or standing instructions. Log in to the online bank. Make sure to go to the official Standard Chartering online banking website or use their mobile app. Log in using your username and your password. Use the secure messaging option. Navigate to help and services or contact us section. Find a new secure mail or messaging option. Write a message stating you'd like to close your bank account. This will include your full name, account number, your reason for closure, and your contact number or email confirmation. Wait for a response. The bank will typically respond within a few business days for the closure confirmation and any further steps that you need to take. Request the identity verification. Review confirmation. You will receive confirmation in your emails or messages once your account has been officially closed. Now you know how to correctly close your Standard Chartered bank account online. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.